welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Here's reminding all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. And now, without further ado, sit back, relax and enjoy the top stories of the day. Will Salman Khan joins Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming thriller Pathaan for a cameo? Did KL Rahul just make his relationship with Athia Shetty official? Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu were fully involved in the planning, says wedding designer. What's brewing between Siddharth Shukla and Shehnaz Gill? Aditya Narayan reveals how he proposed Shweta Agarwal. Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu married recently in an intimate ceremony और उनकी शादी की सादगी और सुंदरता ने पूरे इंडिया को मेस्मराइज कर दिया है। बट आखिर कैसे लॉकडाउन और पैंडेमिक के रेस्ट्रिक्शंस के बीच प्लान और एग्जीक्यूट हुई ये खूबसूरत शादी? Kajal and Gautam Kichlu are one of the lucky couples who dated each other for several years, were friends, and then they eventually got married. Given the difficult times we are going through currently, the couple decided to have a small intimate wedding with just close family members and friends. But even with a limited number of guests or functions, planning and executing a wedding is no small task. Kajal and Gautam's wedding designer Ambika Gupta spoke to a newspaper recently about the experience of designing a celebrity wedding and what additional precautions had to be taken given the pandemic-related restrictions. According to Ambika, I had to keep the wedding feasible and arrange everything in a short period. There was a lot of pressure that way, but I told myself to do what I do best, not thinking about whether it is a celebrity wedding. I knew I wanted to create a statement. But the great part for the wedding designer was that Kajal और Gautam ने कभी भी अपने celebrity होने का या high profile client होने का attitude नहीं दिखाया. In fact, वो इतने normal और cooperative थे कि शादी होने के बाद जब उनके photos और videos viral होने लगे, तब जाके organizing team को realize हुआ कि उन्होंने actually एक celebrity wedding organize किया था. काजल और गौतम के बारे में बात करते हुए उनके डिजाइनर ने बताया that since they are both artistic in their own way, Kajal being an actor and Gautam a businessman dealing with interior designer, they each had their specific inputs into the way the wedding would look and feel. Since they were friends for a long time before they became a couple and decided to get married, दोनों एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छी तरह कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. She adds that since Gautam is completely non-filmy, Kajal shoot से जब घर आती है, वो एक अच्छे friend के साथ time spend कर पाती है. Their strong bond was important given the difficult external circumstances created by the pandemic and lockdown restrictions. From arranging for flowers to completing the setup for the wedding 3 years in advance, so every inch of the hall could be sanitized, अंबिका और उनकी टीम को इस हाई प्रोफाइल शादी को एग्जीक्यूट करने में बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी. But thankfully, Kajal, Gautam and their families were very enthusiastic and helpful. काजल की माँ ने पर्सनली गेस्ट के लिए गिफ्ट्स पैक किए, तो काजल और उनकी बहन ने हर फंक्शन का कलर स्कीम खुद डिसाइड किया. सारी मुश्किलों के बीच भी पूरी फैमिली ने शादी को यादगार बनाने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी. The wedding did look fabulous and it was a close-knit affair with the ones closest to the couple attending. We wish the happy couple a happy married life and we are sure that Kajal और गौतम की ये शादी हमेशा खास रहेगी. Handsome hunk Siddharth Shukla, who recently completed a 2-week appearance on a reality show hosted by Salman Khan, was spotted at the Mumbai airport with rumored girlfriend Shehnaz Gill. Shehnaz and Siddharth, who were contestants in the last season of the show, had become very close while competing together, with Shehnaz making her soft corner for Sid quite clear on many occasions. Siddharth was dressed in a blue body-hugging t-shirt that highlighted his muscular physique, while Shehnaz was in a comfy grey palazzo suit. Both had masks on as per safety protocols and were seen stepping out of a car and walking into the airport together as they headed to Punjab for a shoot. Siddharth and Shehnaz, who are fondly called Sidnaz by their fans, have been dodging rumors of them being a couple for several months now. In fact, during their stint together in the last season of a popular reality show, Shehnaz ने सिद्धार्थ को अपने दिल की बात भी बता दी थी, confessing that she was in love with Siddharth. However, Siddharth has always maintained that they were just good friends. दोनों को पहली बार एक साथ फोटोग्राफ होता देख उनके फैंस बहुत खुश हैं. And some even went on to say कि ये मोमेंट उनके लिए earlier दिवाली present है. The couple didn't hold hands or indulge in any PDA, but this is the first time they have made a public appearance together and their fans can't keep calm. There were hundreds of comments and reactions on the Instagram posts shared by paparazzi of the couple walking together as they entered the airport to take their flight. Emoji pe emoji share hua, which included fire, red hearts and love-struck eyes, while comments ranged from excitement to humor. Finally, baby's first pap together. Ye to Diwali ho gayi hamari were amongst the many comments shared by Sidnaz fans who have been waiting for very long to see the couple together in public. After their participation in the reality show's 13th season, Siddharth and Shehnaz featured together in a music video, Bhula Dunga, that only fueled rumors of them being a couple. Recently, जब Shehnaz का नया म्यूजिक वीडियो रिलीज हुआ था, Siddharth had made sure to drop positive comments on her song and wrote, "Hey Shehnaz, looking good in Wada hai. Nice song. Way to go, girl." To which Shehnaz had replied, "Thank you." A few weeks ago, while participating on the 14th season of the reality show hosted by Salman Khan, Siddharth had told Gauhar Khan, who happened to push him during a task, that she shouldn't touch him क्योंकि उनकी घर पे girlfriend है. There were many doubts then about whether he was referring to Shehnaz, and a public appearance with her so soon after that comment might hint at the two being ready to go public with their feelings for each other. Well, all we can do is wait and watch, and we are ready to do just that.
How do you react to everything that's being written about you and KL? I just want to
I'm not
ask.
reacting at all. I'm not reacting.
Looks like cricketer KL Rahul and Athiya Shetty are about to make things official soon. Athiya, who turned 28 yesterday, received a special birthday greeting from her rumoured boyfriend Rahul, who shared a post on social media with a romantic picture of the two of them basking in warm sunlight. Athiya Shetty and KL Rahul have been in a rumoured relationship for quite some time now, and they never shy away from indulging in lots of social media PDA by commenting on each other's posts and dropping heart emojis and sweet messages. They also supposedly welcomed 2020 together by holidaying in Thailand, and this year on Rahul's birthday, Athiya shared a loved up picture of the two of them and called Rahul her person. While the couple is yet to confirm their relationship or announce this officially, we don't think there is any room of doubt left in this sweet love story. Athiya, who was last seen in Motichur Chaknachur, turned 28 yesterday. And while many of her friends from the industry and her fans made sure to wish her, एक birthday wish बहुत ही खास था. KL Rahul, Athiya's rumoured boyfriend, shared an adorable picture of himself and Athiya that is winning all hearts on social media. Picture में Athiya और Rahul are posing for a selfie and Athiya, who looks beautiful with no makeup on, is resting her head on Rahul's shoulder and is cuddled close to him. उनके बीच का warmth और प्यार साफ दिखाई दे रहा है. And Rahul's caption only added to the cute quotient of the picture. KL Rahul wrote, "Happy birthday, mad child." While Rahul was busy with his cricket commitments till a few days ago, he seems to be back in Mumbai now and celebrated his lady love's birthday with a beautiful cake and what seemed like a fun party for two. The cricketer also shared a funny picture of Athiya from her party, where she is making a funny face and pretending to bite into her entire cake. Rahul captioned his social media story, "I think she is happy," and tagged Athiya in his post. Athiya, who looked super cute and casual in a white dress with black polka dots, also shared some fun-filled pictures from her simple birthday celebration. While in one picture she is making a funny face at the camera before cutting her cake, in another she seems to be dancing with joy on her birthday. She also shared a close-up of her pretty pink birthday cake and captioned her post, "Counting all my blessings and so grateful for the love. Thank you so much. My heart's full." We wish you a very happy birthday too, Athiya, and we hope you had a great day celebrating with your family and a very special someone who seems to truly love you very much. Anushka Sharma can't keep calm because it was her husband's birthday. The actor shared some love-soaked pictures with cricketer husband Virat Kohli, और इन दो lovebirds को साथ देखकर social media has just one verdict: adorable. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli are known for keeping things romantic but real and relatable, both as professionals and with their posts on their social media accounts. The couple, who are gearing up to celebrate their 3rd anniversary soon, are also getting set to be parents for the first time. This year, Anushka and Virat got the opportunity to spend lots of time together, which earlier didn't allow them because of their busy schedules. And their pictures from Virat's birthday celebrations only reminded us why we love this couple so much. Virat Kohli turned 32 yesterday, had a grand birthday celebration with his wife Anushka Sharma and his fellow teammates. Videos surfaced on social media which showed the cricketer cut a birthday cake while his teammates cheer him on singing "Happy Birthday." Anushka joined in looking pretty in a floral off-shoulder dress that highlighted her cute baby bump. It looks like the couple had a romantic celebration for two as well and made sure to click some pictures of themselves sharing romantic moments together. Anushka ke photos mein the couple is twinning in black outfits, and while they share a cozy hug in the first photo, in the second picture Anushka plants the sweetest kiss on her husband's cheek. She only added a heart emoji to her post, और जब pictures में इतना प्यार दिखाई दे तो किसी भी catchy caption की जरूरत ही नहीं. The pictures immediately went viral on social media, with fans going crazy about their romantic pictures and sweet birthday special PDA. Colleagues from their respective lines of work and their fans on social media couldn't help but send them lots of love and good wishes. Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who has acted with Anushka Sharma in Dil Dhadakne Do, reacted with happy tears, a love-struck emoji and a red heart. While Tahira Kashyap and Moni Roy also couldn't help but drop lots of hearts for the much-in-love couple. Happy birthday, Captain. We hope the two, or rather the three of you, including the baby-to-be, had a great time together. Aditya Narayan and Shweta Agarwal are super excited about their upcoming wedding and finally being able to spend their lives together. In an interview, Aditya has revealed for the first time कि उन्होंने कब और कैसे श्वेता से पूछा, मुझसे शादी करोगी? Aditya and Shweta Agarwal are setting some major relationship goals ever since they made their relationship and marriage official. The couple has been in a steady relationship for almost 10 years now after meeting on the sets of the film Sharpit and will soon be married in an intimate wedding ceremony with just immediate family members and friends. While the wedding is in December, it looks like the celebrations have already begun for the couple. Take a look. Speaking to a newspaper, Aditya revealed कि उन्होंने December 2019 से श्वेता के लिए अंगूठी पसंद करके रखी थी. He had even planned a romantic holiday to the Maldives where he was going to propose, but thanks to the pandemic, उनकी flight cancel हो गई. But जहाँ प्यार है, वहाँ राह है. And some months later, when the couples went to Lonavala, he surprised Shweta by slipping the ring on her finger and asking her to marry him. While the wedding is in December, Aditya, Shweta and their families came together to celebrate Karwa Chauth this year. And a picture of the happy couple and their parents has emerged on social media. होने वाले दुल्हे राजा Aditya was dressed in a grey shirt and jeans, while his bride-to-be Shweta wore a pink salwar kameez that only enhanced her bridal glow. This picture, which was shared on an online fan club, was the first time the families and the couple have appeared together, making things official and kick-starting the wedding celebrations. In an interview to a newspaper, Aditya ने शेयर किया है कि उनकी शादी में सिर्फ उनकी immediate family और कुछ close friends होंगे, and they will follow all the guidelines laid down by the government. Aditya also revealed कि शादी के बाद रिसेप्शन और संगीत के फंक्शंस एक साथ सेलिब्रेट होंगे, जहां पूरी फैमिली परफॉर्म करेगी. While most brides and grooms these days like wearing designer outfits, Shweta will be designing outfits for herself and Aditya क्योंकि एक्टर होने के साथ-साथ वो एक फैशन डिजाइनर भी है and has been designing Aditya's wardrobe for several years now. The couple, who has been together for over a decade now, are planning a romantic honeymoon in Gulmarg after their wedding. Talking about the choice of their honeymoon destination, Aditya said, Shweta loves skiing and I felt it would be ideal to go to Gulmarg in the winters. If everything goes well, we plan to go there. We love your excitement, Aditya, and we hope that the two of you have a fabulous wedding and a very happy married life. चलिए प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but guys stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
हिंदीमध्ये कोणीच नाहीत माझे मित्र, पण एकच मित्र आहे माझा जो पॅकअप नंतर पण माझा मित्र आहे, तो सलमान आहे. आय नो की एनी टाइम इन एनी आवर ऑफ द डे इफ आई कॉल हिम, ही विल बी देयर फॉर मी.
Salman Khan is in a dilemma about how he can be at his dabang best. As a Maharashtrian cop or a Punjabi police officer, Salman Khan is all set to start filming his upcoming Hindi adaptation of the Marathi film Mulshi Pattern. But he and his director Mahesh Manjrekar just can't seem to decide कि आखिर सलमान का character India के किस state से होगा. While Salman is keen on playing a Punjabi cop because that is more likely to gain and guarantee him a nationwide appeal, while director Mahesh Manjrekar feels that Maharashtrian cop is the way to go forward. What do you guys think? वैसे तो ये बातें स्क्रिप्ट डिसाइड करती है, but in Salman's case, a look test will determine his choice. The movie, which has been named Antim, also stars Salman's brother-in-law Ayush Sharma, and with Salman's support, hopefully ये उनके करियर की अंतिम फिल्म नहीं होगी. Both Salman and Ayush's looks will be designed by Salman's sister Alvira Agnihotri, making this quite a family affair. The movie is supposed to start filming on November 15th, and after the Muhurat at Mehboob Studio, the shooting will shift to ND Studios at Karjat for a 2-month schedule. But while Salman and director Mahesh Manjrekar ने सारे dates, locations और safety protocols डिटेल में प्लान किए हैं, वो अभी तक सलमान के कैरेक्टर को लेके एक बहुत important decision नहीं ले पाए हैं. Since it is the remake of a Marathi film, Mahesh चाहते हैं कि सलमान play a Maharashtrian cop, but Salman has something else in mind. A source says Salman wants to play a Punjabi police officer. He believes it will lend pan-India appeal to the film. सुनने में आया है कि एक लुक टेस्ट की हेल्प से डिसाइड होगा कि सलमान का कैरेक्टर कहेगा कसकाय या सब चंगा जी. The actor has decided to don both get-ups, one Maharashtrian and one Punjabi, depending on pictures and what the team feels. He will zero in on what works best.
Mahesh, I think, is the most talented actor, director, writer, and as a friend, he is like the best friend that one can ever have.
In the meanwhile, we also hear that Salman and Shah Rukh's special appearance will continue with SRK's next film, Pathaan. Salman, who made special appearances in Shah Rukh's films Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Om Shanti Om and Zero, will reportedly have a small cameo in Pathaan 2. Sultan और Pathaan एक साथ? Maybe that will finally break SRK's jinx at the box office. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off. Thank God it's Friday. I'm going to have a great weekend and hope you guys have a great weekend too. Until next time, it's goodbye.